We're live. Okay. Oops. It's a great way to start. No, it's fine. We'll work with it. Okay, class. So let's make sure you guys are prepared for all this material. All right. So, what do you guys think of the homework? Was it easy, hard?
Hard.
Mediocre.
Okay. So, how do we normally start this? Right? A, B, and C values. Yeah. So what's my A here?
-1.
Equals -1. What's my B?
6.
6. And what's my C?
0.
Okay, so you guys know that part. That's pretty good.
Where's the C come from?
It's in the format of ax squared plus bx plus c, and there's something next to an x squared, there's something next to an x, but there's nothing by itself, so 0. So this is the format that we're basing A, B, and C off of.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, good. So now we can actually answer one of these questions already. Is there going to be a maximum here, a minimum? What do you guys think?
Minimum.
I heard both.
No, maximum.
Well, my A is negative, so does it open downward or upward?
Downward.
It opens downward, so I know it's going to look like this because my A is negative. And therefore, my vertex, will it be a maximum or minimum for this example?
Maximum.
It will be a maximum, okay? So that's what you should have circled for that. Okay. Next part, acts of symmetry. Do we remember the formula for that?
X equals -b over x 2a.
Yeah, amazing. X equals -b over 2a. Okay. So if I plug those values in, my b and a values, it's negative, parenthesis, and whenever I plug something in, I use a parenthesis around it, over 2 times my a value of -1. What does that simplify into? 3, yeah. So then my acts of symmetry, x equals 3. So if I'm graphing this, I know that my axis of symmetry is centered around 1, 2, 3. I know my axis of symmetry is centered around here. And I know that it's opening downward, but I don't know, it could be up top here, it could be down there, it could be anywhere. So what would help us find that out? Let's find where the actual vertex is. So x equals 3 for this blank. How do I find what the vertex is? I plug in 3 wherever there's an x. So -3 squared plus 6 times 3. So this is going to be, okay, hold on. I have to actually ask you this, because on SATs they show you stuff like this and people get it wrong all the time, most of the time. What is -3 squared in the way that it's written here? -9. You do PEMDAS, so exponents first, then multiplication of the negative. So -9 plus 18 is going to be +9, so my vertex is 3, 9. All right, and we always know the axis of symmetry and the x part of my vertex will always be the same.
Wait, why are you squaring the 3?
Because it's -x squared.
Oh.
So it has to be -3 squared. Okay? So now I know my vertex is 3, 9 somewhere here. I know it opens downward. So there you go. That's it. Quinn, do you understand this? Are we not paying attention because we're on a computer? You're not paying attention. I already know the answer to that. Okay.
Is that minus 2 points?
No, I'm just going to definitely expect you to take my quiz now. Oh shoot, I'm saying this on video. Now you're getting reprimanded on video. We have evidence of it. That's bad. That's really bad. That's really bad. Okay. Should we do another one?
Yeah.
Alright, number 4. Okay, let's just leave the A, B, and C's here, because I'll use that. Erase this, erase this. Okay. So what's my A, B, and C for this problem?
1 is
A is 1, B is what? C?
9.
Awesome. So now I'm doing -b over 2a to find my axis of symmetry. Okay. Actually, before we go on, is there a maximum or minimum here?
Maximum.
Yeah, so A is positive, so it's going to open upward, which means my vertex will have to be the lowest point, so minimum. So negative b over 2a, I'm going to use my a, b, and c values.
Negative 8 over 2
Negative negative 8 over 2 times 1, which is what? 4.
Oh, what?
Isn't it?
Is it negative? No, negative negative 8 is positive. What's my vertex? Take it, plug it back in. 4 squared minus 8 times 4. Right, I'm just copying this down and replacing my x. Plus 9. 4 squared is what, class?
24.
16. What's negative 8 times 4?
Wait, 4 times 8 is not 24?
No, 32. And I said 4 squared first of all. I'm still not. Okay? Plus 9. So negative 16 plus 9 is what?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. So 4 comma negative 7. Okay?
Wait, we don't, the 32 isn't there.
I added that. 16 minus 32 is negative 16. Negative 16 plus 9 is negative 7.
Oh, boom.
Negative 7. Okay? So do we all understand that?
Yeah.
Great. We don't understand? Why? If you don't understand, now is the time to tell me. Not after I announce our potential pop quiz.
Maybe like one more.
No.
What?
Wait, if we're doing a
Alright, how do I know if it's minimum or maximum? So the thought process is it a minimum or maximum? Is my A positive or negative? Positive. Positive A means it opens like this. If it opens like this, there is no maximum. It's going to go up forever for infinity, but there is a minimum value. So that's why minimum. Okay? Yeah?
Can you explain like the ones after that? Because I don't understand how to do those.
I will. I will get there. Can you explain why you're not invested right now?
Oh, sorry. Sometimes I forget it's after.
Huh?
Very sure we have.
Does it ask us to graph here or no?
No.
No, it doesn't, so no graphing. But we can graph it. For this problem, it looks like x equals 4, so 3, 4, 4, negative 7, somewhere down here, and opens upward. So you should be able to. They didn't ask you to, but I need you to be able to do this too.
Do we need to give you the ABCs on the quiz?
Did you get how I got this, Neymar, or did you miss that? I don't know if that doesn't seem very short to me. You agree with that?
When you're doing like negative times negative 8, are you just basically doing like negative 1 times negative 8?
Yes. I am essentially doing negative 1 times negative 8.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay? Can I move forward to the actual table of value stuff? Do we all understand this? Who doesn't? Why?
Over 2x.
When you plug it back in, it shows whatever.
Well, it
just
just-
do computation until it goes
Yeah, you simplify. You plug it and simplify.
to the original equation.
Yeah, your x of symmetry value, which is the same as the x here, we plugged in. You simplify it. Plugged in every time there's an x. So wherever there's an x, plug it in. Simplify it. Get what the y value is.
Okay.
Yep.
Hypothetically, would this be the only thing we need know for the quiz?
Hypothetically, yes.
Just that?
Yeah.
Not,
You're so
not the
figured out.
graph means that. Like,
Huh?
Her 18th birthday.
Who's Sophia?
It's
Okay.
in 3 days.
Folks, I'm recording right now, so I'd like to keep it going forward,
It's
perhaps.
on your board.
Wait, yeah, like this wouldn't be on it.
No, but I am gonna go over that.
Which one?
This.
All right, go to number 6.
Wait, can we take the quiz and then can you go over this?
No.
Oh.
Yes, if I moved you up front, I'm expecting you to be class leaders, like bringing the conversation in a good
Why
direction.
would you
Where
move me up front?
I don't know, but I'm really considering that decision.
Like putting me back there?
I want to put you back.
Oh.
I thought you'd do better up front, but you're just annoying me more.
Oh. That is on film.
I know, crazy, right?
On the graph you go 3, 9, and it was
Yeah.
When you graph it, how do you find, like on the graph, how do you find your x? On the side, how do you find the vertexes?
Guys, I can't have you chatting that much back there. I need it quiet so I can hear my students. So you're gonna have to pause. You're gonna have to ask me your question. And what do you want?
If you actually, if you actually graph it, how do you find the vertex? You just have to do the formula?
Yeah, the formulas for the vertex. Yeah. Did you write down what I wrote before?
Yeah, I know what it is.
You wrote it down?
No, it's negative b, and then over to.
2a.
Yeah.
And then you plug it back in to find the y part. Okay. Yeah.
Does asking questions annoy you?
No.
I was only asking questions.
Sabrina, I'm recording right now. Now it's annoying.
I'm sorry.
Okay. So here's your equation, and you're asked to do, well, now I want you to do the basic stuff that we just covered, plus a little bit extra here. But the plus a little bit extra, I don't think will be that bad.
Why?
No, I know, but it's gonna be, you know what I'm gonna do later. Okay, so let's focus on this. A, B, and C. What's A equal to?
Add 1.
Well, I don't think I've recorded this class, and now I'm
Negative
starting to know
6.
why. -6, thank you.
11.
11. Awesome. Alright, so does it open upward or downward?
Upward.
Opens upward. Therefore, is it a minimum or maximum?
Minimum.
Amazing. What's my vertex?
3.
-6, wait, -6 over 2 times 1. Sorry, axis of symmetry I meant to say.
12.
3. Okay, x equals 3. This is the format you put axis of symmetry in if I ask you just for that. Okay, so 1, where am I?
Negative 4.
1, 2, 3. Please stay on topic. Okay. Alright, so I have to plug 3 in. So 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 11. 9 minus 18 plus 11. -9 plus 11 is what? 2. 2. So 3 comma 2 is my vertex. I'm actually going to use that point and put it as my first value here. And you know what? I'm going to give you guys a little tip that I didn't give my other class. I'm going to put it in the middle. You'll see why in a second.
If the
Do we have questions? Yeah, what's up?
if it's always like half of it, because it's 9, so like it's always half. If the x is 1, if a is 1, it's always like half of it.
This is always half of this?
Yeah.
That's coincidental. That's just what's been happening, but it's not always the case. Tyler? Yeah.
Can I use the bathroom?
Yeah, okay. So now, why did I put it in the middle? Because the thing is, I know where my vertex now is. It's at 3 comma 2. And I know that it opens upward in that direction, okay? But exactly how does it open? I'm going to pick values on this side of it and this side of it, okay? So I'm going to pick 2, 1, 4, and 5.
Whoa, wait,
Is it
why?
negative 2 or no?
Oh, is it -2?
No.
No, 9 minus 18, -9 plus 11, +2. Should be positive. Okay? So this is my middle value. This is my vertex. It's the dead center of the graph. Tell me if I'm wrong, though. I could be wrong.
No.
That's the dead center. And then I pick these values, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Why? Well, we've done this before. We've done it with absolute value functions. Right? We picked values that were like good so I can see a good.
So you can just pick any number?
Yeah.
Or it has to be certain number?
It can be any numbers, but I'd rather you pick one centered around your vertex. So my vertex was 3, 2. Did you catch that part, the vertex part?
Yeah.
And then I'm picking, so 3, I'm going to go -1, -2, +1, +2. You should do that every time.
So now do you take each one of those x's and you plug it into the formula?
Exactly right.
That's so tedious.
But, can I tell you something? This value, let's use a different color. This value will be the same as this, that's the same color. This value will be the same as this value because it's symmetrical. Just like absolute value functions, they're
Is it top and
symmetrical.
bottom or no?
Same thing. This value will be the same as that value.
So you really only have to do 2 other ones.
Right. Yeah. If your math is right, if you want to check your work, then you plug it in here to make sure these are the same. But if you're fairly confident, it's the same. Okay?
And if it comes out as like wait, so how would the graph look like? It would just be a bunch of like.
It's gonna be points that it's gonna open upwards, so I know it's gonna be somewhere like there's gonna be points that go that way and points that go that way. That's what I'm expecting.
Okay, so can you do it?
Yeah, let's do it right now. Okay. All right. So let's start with 1 because I think it's the easiest. 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 11. What is that, John?
1 minus 6 plus 11, so that would be 1 minus 17, so it'd be -16.
I don't think so.
Oh, wait.
-5. So 1 minus 6 is -5. -5 plus 11. 6. So that's going to be 6, and that's also going to be a 6.
Oh, that's how you find it? Okay.
Didn't you
Yeah.
plug in one, not 2?
Wait, what do you do?
I plugged in. Oh, sorry. I plugged in 1, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. I did plug in 1. All right. So that means I have 2 more points now. 1 comma 6 and 5 comma 6. Okay. So now you're seeing the general shape. It's going to look like a U, and that's good. This is all good stuff. I'm expecting my other points to be like here and here, probably. Let's find out. 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 11. Class, what's 2 squared?
4.
4 minus 12.
8, -8.
Negative 8 plus 11.
3.
3 and 3. So I got 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, and 4 comma 3. Okay, so does not look like a parabola if I connect the dots?
Yeah.
Yeah? I just gotta do something like this. Do. Okay, and there we go. Alright, how do we feel about that, class? Do we all understand it?
Yeah.
Should I do one more?
Can you do number 8?
Number 8, you got it. Wait, is that the piecewise one? No, right?
I don't.
Okay, yeah, we can do number 8. Okay, so we all understand this. Every student in here understands this material.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome, I see a lot of affirmative. Did you get it explained to you properly? Okay. Okay, number 8. Alright, so I want you guys to lead me through the process. I'm gonna go one person at a time. You can pass if you want to pass, but I want you guys to kind of take the reins here.
Mr. Fan, can I use the bathroom?
Yes. Okay.
-1, 5, and 0.
Negative 1. Oh, thank you. Yes.
You're smart.
A equals -1. B equals 5? No.
Oh.
0.
C is 5 and B 0.
Wait,
C
what?
is equal to 5.
Yeah, because it doesn't have an x.
It doesn't have an x term. Remember the format ax squared plus bx.
Oh, that's a sneaky one.
It is a sneaky one, right? So there's no middle term with an x by itself, like an x something with an x next to it. Just an x, not an x squared, whatever. So there's no b value here.
This was your 0.
So now what to do? Haley, what do you think? What do I do now? Do you know?
You plug it in with
Plug what in?
all of it, like AX to AX.
Not quite. Nick, help me out. Well, there's many things I can do. We can start with open upward, downward, axis of symmetry, whatever you want to pick. So Nick, pick something.
We gotta like open it. You know what I'm saying?
Does it open upward, does it open down? What do we think, class? Does it open upward or downward here?
Upward.
Downward.
Maximum.
Maximum. Okay, so we know it's going to look like that. If we get something different than that, we know we're doing it wrong. Alright, Leo, what do you want to do next?
On the vertex.
Find the vertex. Yeah, axis of symmetry might be good, or vertex. You have to use the same equation. So Quinn, what should I do?
Put 0 over -2.
Yeah, so I'm going to use the formula negative b over 2a. However, my b value is 0. So do I even need to calculate that?
No.
It's going to be 0.
No.
Okay, so x equals 0 is my axis of symmetry. So it's going to be symmetrical along
Wait,
that
hold
line.
on, 2a. Oh, or is it just anything divided by 0? It's just.
0 over anything is 0. Anything divided by 0 is undefined, but 0 over anything is 0.
Okay.
So I know it's going to be 0, like negative 0, 0, yeah. All right, what do I do next, Sabrina? So I got my axis of symmetry so far.
Then you're gonna plug it all back into the equation.
I would plug it back in. X equals 0, plug it back in. So if I plug x equals 0 here, negative 0 squared plus 5, what do I get? Nope. 5. Alright, so I'm going to put it in the middle. Why? So I can pick values above and below. Okay? So good job. You guys took me a lot of the way there. Tim, what value should I pick here and here? Negative 1, 1, negative 2, and 2. I agree. Okay, we know that this value will be the same as this value. We know that this value will be the same as this value. Alright, so I'm going to plug in the positive versions because I think it'll be a little bit easier. So class, what's 1 squared?
1.
Negative of 1. Negative 1 plus 5? 4. So I know 4 goes here and I know 4 goes here. Let's do that again. 2 squared,
-4.
4, yeah, negative 4. Negative 4 plus 5? 1 and 1. Okay?
Wait, how did you do the negative 0 squared? How did you do that?
Well, 0 squared is a 0. The negative of 0 is still 0. 0 plus 5 is 5.
What about the negative? It's not. Right?
What is negative 0? Actually, here's a good fact for you.
It just like takes away the sign, right?
Well, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So the negative of 0 is zero doesn't have a sign. It's the direct center of the number line. Therefore, it's the only number that has no
So it
sign.
would just be 5.
So it's just 5.
So why'd you, oh, okay, yeah.
So 0 is still the axis of symmetry, but when I plug it in, I get 5.
Got it.
Okay? So now let's plot these points. 0, comma 5 is up here somewhere. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Negative 1, comma 4, 1, comma 4. Negative 2, comma 1, 2, comma 1. I plotted those 5 points. Okay? Draw a line through it, it looks something like this. Okay? There's your problem. And like we assumed it was going to open downward. When we plugged in our values, it does open downward, so that's a good check for us. Okay? So do we understand everything now? Are we good? Yeah? Alright, I'm gonna pause my video now.
You have one in your shirt, bro.
This size?